yakni benta jong khubor la wanra spi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Ka dorbar sinong Lawsohtun menta kesengi kan rutri unai tung arajar arpau kalali Ujor Ejahar Patricia ikong Patricia Mukhim halor kecing tho jong i ha social media kabalakta ya keburam bat ijot jong kesenong bat khamtam kabala wanra ya kecing sengau phaje benriu kinong yalam jong kesenong kilaong bakani kadai tang kecing yasho ya dat para samna henrei lapin kala sha kecing phaje benriu tang na kecing tho ha social media da ka editor jong kot khubor phareng the Shillong Times.
Ketinguan ini bagi sapi kalau tak mengindia ban ayat saya kalau kita tinggal kau juga Patricia Mukhim kalau kita social media mak nama boleh bagi nagal yang bersenang ini kalau viral ada kata ini jadi kepada ayat Patricia nama boleh bagi kuat nang ini itu kan bang gasok sok konsen juga kan dia bagi sun daftar isi daftar yang ini kuat tambah ni kalau di sini kata nang kan num dan sun nang nesmat nang lagi itu Kailan pisan dia lalu kijing dia. Atau kadai kalau kijing kemo ni, kemo kijing siapa? Ya satu kijing jangan nangalian jangan singat. Coba tanya tu dah. Ni aku minim don. Tapi kijing jangan kalau datang 1 minit 2 minit. Tentang ilap yang tu spot ni sen ba amdan mana-mana ilap tentang itu. Uga syasyo ni keli itu. IT por warna kulit larang kulit. Hadu mentah ini dengan ni nak kalian senang ni dengan leh bukan. Baik kanwa ni dan mana-mana kalian senang. Ya hadu mentah ni salap yang ni tu. Song kulit jadi kaman kulit kanwa. Ni iPhone support di kulit tu ni nak hilang.
So if you could tell us about the Lawsohtun they met you something in the fire. If you could tell us more.
Yes, we met this devotional Lawsohtun and we discussed regarding that incidents in Lawsohtun, which is very unfortunate. So we seek cooperation from the devotional to solve this case. Perhaps they can throw us some light regarding these issues since the PO falls in that village.
So we understand they filed a fire against Patricia Mukhim. So how will the police move from him?
Yeah, they just filed the affair. Okay, that we'll look into because just now they just hand over to us. So we'll send out to the police stations. So that we'll look into it. Right from day one, our officers went into action, and in fact we have picked up 11 boys for the interrogations, taking up their statement. So since the case is still under investigation, we will work hard. Our guys are working hard to establish the facts and also to identify the culprits.